This next princess tasted the face-off early out in the competition, and it seems it has been enough for her because she hasn't even looked back since. She's looking straight ahead. She is Bad Gal Bambi.
Hey, me say no matter, me have some contestants. We are go round the thing. Me not free them, no. Them think me no ban ya, but me a the baddest thing on ya. Nobody come with your drama talk if you wanna. But your ends on your corner, Bambi head hotter than a sauna. Jamaica me say, plus me general a Sanjay. Coulda never be no ladder. Don't cross the border and go step out a bounce like a baller. That get me clever. Real bad girl bad anyway me go. Try believe some are bad when me tell you so. But oh some boy a carry belly so. Like a them name carry so. Dance up black tell me no. Bad girl bad anyway me go. Try believe some are bad when me tell you so. But oh some boy a carry belly so. Like a them name carry so. Scatter barrel tell me no. Bambi me name and me name can't change. Me no dark stop live for me name like Mitch. Now switch not change. Me drive no new range. Now from my day some of them a call name Magnum. Something need for rearrange before me get cross angry on the range. I mean name Bambi, them no better than me. Nobody can take that from me. Real bad girl bad anywhere me go. Try believe some are bad when me tell you so. But oh some boy I carry belly so. Like a them name carry so. Bounty killer tell me no. Bad girl bad anywhere me go. Try believe some are bad when me tell you so. But oh some boy I carry belly so. Like a them name carry so.
Stop it! Stop it! Calm down!
All right, Bad Gal Bambi. I like the vibes there. Come over here, so. Press K, talk to me, woman to woman. What you talking about, Bad Gal Bambi?
I'm stand up and show my bad outfit from the fashion addicts bag in the mall. Jody, big up yourself. Now tell me now. From girl and bad till now. Listen to me now, Bad Gal Bambi. You never have a bad so. Lyrically inclined. I'm like, oh, you come out and step out. Because the girl can't touch right here, so the girl can't touch right here, so more than touch right here. So, you understand? I like the flow. You understand? I like the lyrics. So just go and work on your craft and everything. La 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 la. Kitty, big up yourself. And we say money tree from you there still now. Yeah.
Scatter, what you thought about Bad Gal Bambi? Scatter, yes, you. Pay attention.
I like the rhythm, not because of my own. I go to the rhythm I choose for DJ Pan. Bambi, let me tell you something now. You have a good attitude on the stage, and I like that. You know, ramp for move and flex, and you look comfortable on the stage. But you reach a stage in a competition, more and one song now will resonate with the audience. So when them see you next week, more when them see you in the road, them say, you see that song there, and sing it for you. So one song now, a hit song now. Because you go hard for the competition start, you know. And you hold your own. Somebody say, give you a good advice, because I love how you go on. I don't bash you or nothing. But one big song when I see you again. All right? Big up.